Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for your continuously supporting us. In return, I will work very hard to give and share with you the most significant information and signals in interpreting the market using the chart through our technical analysis. So let's get started with the PSE index. Our week opener went lower at 6,375 and closes even lower at 6,358. That gives us a red hammer candle on a Monday. Then Tuesday, the market opens a bit higher at 6,378 but closes at 6,369, which gives another red hammer candle but in an inverted orientation. On Wednesday, market opens almost inconsistent level at 6,375, but negative sentiment prevailed and closes at 6,337, which reflects the market's pessimism with a solid red engulfing candle. But on Thursday, though the market opens at 6,344 and even went a bit lower on market recess, investors find an opportunity to enter positions while most of the stocks have been moving on a retracement manner. The close of market at 6,357 gives us the solid green neutral candle for the week. Come Friday, the market opens a bit higher at 6,358 but then again went lower and closes at 6,339, which gives us a red inverted candle as a weekender. Overall, the market appears to continue moving sideways and more likely consolidating due to the uncertainty brought about by the current global tensions happening overseas. But on a brighter side, the consolidation movement shows the slowly establishment of a new support area at 6,320 to 6,375. Now let us proceed to our individual stock, where the first on the line is Ayala Corporation. The absence of any significant news report that would serve as a catalyst reflects the pessimistic sentiment of Ayala Corporation stock for this week. Though the sentiment appears to be on the negative side, it appears to hold its ground above the strong support level at 543 level. Continuing to move and sustain the support zone will prove that the level is a strong hand area where consolidation might prevail. Moving forward to Ayala Land, which is our next stock. Though the weekender went on a selling sentiment, the persistence of holding its ground at current support area is evident with Ayala Land's continued share buyback program, except this week. Staying within support zone means an opportunity to enter while or during the market consolidation. Jumping into our banking sector, which is BDO. The investor sentiment, especially the week hands before, went on a cut-loss decision that reflects in BDO chart as it moved a bit lower but still managed to stay within the current support level. Weaker hand makes our chart go on a consecutive selling spree. Next on the line is Converge. The last week's retracement movement of Converge was not sustained and went on breaking the current support level. That indicates a possible challenge to the next previous support area at 18.3, while MACD continued to project downward, going near the zero level. Moving on to Jollibee Foods Corporation. Since no significant report for Jollibee for the past couple of weeks except the upcoming annual stockholders meeting of Jollibee next month, the chart continues to move on a consolidation mode. We expect Jollibee to move sideways until new development came up that will help investor sentiment become positive. But we have to take note that the MACD is already starting to bend upward. Jumping back to our banking sector with MBT or Metrobank. Metrobank continued to establish its new support area after undergoing a correction phase 2 weeks ago. And it is still currently on consolidation stage while the MACD is already below zero level. Going back to our holding companies, we have JGS as our next stock. JG Summit Holdings continue to move sideways after being in a retracement mode for the past weeks. It currently tried to hold its position slightly above the previous support area. Our recommendation is to refrain from entering while the MACD is continuously projecting downward. Then going back to our property sector, we have SMPH. SMPH, a share buyback, continued as an indication that the company is probably convinced that the support level has been already established and confirms that the higher low movement is a legitimate supported move. A shift of trend seems to be fast approaching. While MACD is still below zero level, it appears to me that it's just only a matter of time before it start to go up again and go back to upward projection. Lastly, in our property sector, we have Mega World. Focusing on what's happening in Mega World. As the company announced, the company's move to capitalize on the growing opportunities in the ultra-high-end market by catering to the ultra-rich both in the country and abroad. By launching their signature collection of ultra-high-end residences, which marks the company's strategic entry into the most elevated tier of residential real estate. Though the chart appears to have already completed its sideways movement but went a bit lower on a weekender, it still appears to be within the higher low level and currently establishing its new support area. While MACD tend to shift a bit downward and still stays below zero due to volume of sellers appears on the weekender probably because of the outside tensions. Continue to hold its ground above the level of support means opportunity to enter once positive sentiment starts to manifest through volume of buyers. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com, or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao!